So this is my grandma's chicken coop, guys. She takes care, chicken and duck coop. She takes care of these chickens daily. This is where she gets her fresh chickens and fresh eggs for her to make our Pho Ga tonight. So we're starting off with a chicken appetizer. She basically cut up this chicken and dip it in the salt and pepper and eat it for our last dinner in Nha Trang. Good. So we're having chicken pho tonight, and it smells really good right now, courtesy of these guys. And yeah, my grandma's whipping up a storm right now in the front yard. My uncle's preparing the main course, the chicken pho. Cooking station right here. First, let the broth soak up all the juices from the chicken. Then soak up the pho noodles, get it nice and soft. I actually prefer my noodles a little bit undercooked, al dente style. Get that nice chewy texture. And add the rare filet mignon beef. We're going with a little combination action here, both chicken and beef. Top it off with some fresh organic chicken. Then drown it with a nice, steaming, fragrant, home-cooked secret recipe chicken broth. Top it off with a little French onion and green onion action. Gotta add in the fresh mint, straight from my grandmother's yard. And voila! Some chicken beef pho with some chicken eggs. So I just finished the pho. It was really delicious. The broth was really brothy and fatty and sweet. All the herbs made the pho smell really good because it came fresh from my grandmother's garden right here. And the chicken, of course, very fresh and tender as it came back there from the chicken coop. Everything was fresh, so that's why the pho is really delicious. And my grandma's really old, so she's probably been doing this for a really long time in Nha Trang, Vietnam. But yes, I'm very full and satisfied. So that's it for this food vlog. Like this video and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.